Hello there, Anchor Welshman back again. Now, this is obviously I've started with a Level Earth Observer video, but let's put it this way: I am literally seconds away from changing the name of my channel to basically LEO Constant Debunk Channel. And it's just it does thing to me how he gets so many subscribers so quickly. It just unfortunately just shows how much stupid's on the planet. But never mind. Right, he's already re-uploaded this, which has already been, I've covered this one already, and it's already been shown that he essentially takes what the pilot says far too literally and out of context and doesn't even understand the sheer concept of sarcasm and humour. Alright, so moving on to this one. Again, I'm only just going to cover this for a second because I'm going to move on to something that he says, which I'm going to move on to another website. So this is hopefully going to be quite short, but we'll just, move on, okay?
Large standing bodies of water do not have the ability to display convexity upon its surface.
Based on what, Adam? Based on what, Adam? What experiments have you done? Come on, I'll wait. Obviously I'm not, otherwise I'll be here for a long time. You do understand that water conforms to any shape depending on the forces that are acting upon it. And in this case, it's gravity, my good friend. Okay?
A scientific fact.
No.
Tower cranes do not have the ability to be dead still on a spinning ball.
Based on what? And based on who? What research have you done, Adam? What experiments have you done that prove your point? Have you done any experiment at all to back this up? That would be, oh yeah, no. Even with your old channel before it got deleted, you never provided any sort of visual experiment that proved your point. Not one single one. Not even close. Right? But my contentious point with this is as you can probably see from the name of the channel, is going to be when he states this.
Instead, they'll entertain all sorts of daft stories.
That annoys me because essentially he just calls all science that you provide him as daft stories just because he chooses to not understand any of it. But this is the main bit.
And stargazing fantasies.
Now, what angers me about this is that he's essentially he's using stargazers as a derogatory term for astronomers. And the guy hasn't got even 1 ounce of understanding of astronomy and how it can really help with actually understanding the shape of our planet. Now, this is basically a plug for this for two websites I want you to go to. Well, one's a channel on YouTube, and the other one is this website. It's called, a lot of you might be familiar with it. You've probably seen it on Twitter a few times. It's called FlatEarthWS, and I do urge you to go and see it. On other terms, I wouldn't. I'd rather you come to my channel and try and get my subs up, but never mind. It's always good to go to first places. I mean, basically, this is a fantastic. I find these things in fantastic little bite-sized sort of examples on showing how astronomy proves that that the Earth is a globe using the stars, like this one, for example, using the parallax. Hopefully it plays. So basically this will be like the satellite that's orbiting, right? In the fact that, so every time it goes around, it will measure the distances and will show parallax. So again, this shows that stars have distance, stars have size and all this kind of thing, and they can figure a lot of things out, right? You can, so Aries failure, so this is like the Aries failure experiment, which flat earthers like to think proves that the Earth is stationary, which it actually doesn't do that whatsoever. So again, moving on to another one. Let's go Earth's axial precession, that's good. This is, again, different observations from different locations showing the North Pole. So it's Ursa Minor. Like I said, all of this is only feasible if the Earth was a globe. So again, this is other examples. This is the South Star. Then if you basically just go further around, stellar aberration, stellar parallax, and they're just like fantastic little bite-sized pieces of information that really do help. And it shows just that flat earthers don't even try and figure this out. You know, like here we are, different stars that move separate from the background stars, the galaxy. Here's like stellar annular motion. So like basically when this shows that this is when flat earthers claim that we see the same stars year in, year out, every night, even though that's truly not the case. Not the case whatsoever. You do if you're in the north and look directly north, and if you live in the south and you look directly south, yes, you see the same stars year in, year out that way, but not all the stars that are like east and west. So again, I'm not going to go through this whole thing. This is all sort of very interesting for you to, and like I urge people, that one doesn't play for some reason, I figured out earlier. This is my favourite one. I do love some of these. Okay, it's stopped playing now for some reason, but hey, go on this website. I urge you to do it. Fantastic website, full of cool stuff. So this is used mostly just to shut down arguments from flat earthers, even though they choose not to listen. But hey, you know. And the other channel, he hasn't put any new videos up for about a year or so now. So I hope the chap's all right, but maybe he's got better things to do. Is Testing Geocentrism by Coolhead Logic, and it is a fantastic series of videos going into the pure observations and the maths of the heliocentric model that proves that not only that the Earth is a globe, but debunks geocentrism and so on and so forth. And it is full of fantastic humour and just mind-blowing physics and maths that really do shine. So both you guys, I urge you to go to those two websites. Links will be down below. Hopefully I'll remember to put them on this time. I hope everyone's keeping safe. Hope to do some better videos soon in the future. I was going to do a video, basically I was going to debunk 3 LEO videos in one go. But, you know, when he doesn't come to my channel to complain, it's not that fun, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, hopefully if anyone's got a link to any other things that that I can look at and debunk, because I'm hoping to change up. I wanted to provide some actual, you know, debunking things, but we'll see how it goes. I know my channel is struggling, but I'm here to stay. I'm not going anywhere for the present time being. Right. Hope everyone's keeping safe, and I hope to see you again. Good night.